Hello friends, in this video we are going to demonstrate 4-leg SiC IGBT inverter module which is manufactured by the National-Infotech Surat. In this video we will discuss the basic introduction for this strainer kit. Means it's a multi-purpose strainer kit. You can make your DC-DC converter, your single-phase VSI application as well as your 3-phase VSI application and 4-leg VSI application. So first of all we will discuss the power configuration. We are providing here separate connections for that. So we are providing total 4 leg with a separate connection of collector emitter for the each IGBT. Okay, so this is collector emitter for the higher 1 switch, higher 2. So we are providing total 4 leg. Okay, and each IGBTs have separate connection for the collector emitter. Means you can connect your collector emitter as per your requirement. For this all switches we are providing one get pulse sections. Okay, so if you show on paper, we mentioned switches name as per the user understanding. So for the first leg we are mentioned GA and GA dash, GB and GB dash, GC and GC dash, and JD and JD dash. Okay, so for this particular IGBTs we are providing one get pulse section on the front side of this strainer kit. You can show here. So these are the get pulse connections with respect to this ground. Means user can connect controller side get pulse here, and after that this get pulse is convert into plus 16 or minus 8 volt with our driver circuit. Means we are providing total 4 driver board and power board inside this strainer kit. This driver board convert our 5 volt pulse into as a IGBT requirements. Means plus 16 minus 8 volt, or say plus 15 minus 8 volt. For this all driver board we are providing one power supply PCB inside this strainer kit. You can show here one transformer and different voltage regulator IC is there to supply our driver board. And you need to connect your main supply power cord here backside to this strainer kit. Means we are providing one power cord with this strainer kit to turn on your strainer kit. Okay, and for the cooling purpose we are providing 2 filters at the left hand side as well as right hand side of this strainer kit. So in this video we will cover all the power configuration as well as test point. And main feature for this strainer kit is here. Means from our driver board we providing 2 connections on front side door, fault and ready. Means your driver board is healthy and our power circuit is healthy, then green LED will be blow. If certainly a user give a wrong get pulses here, or say short circuit occur on the load side, then a fault will occur in the driver circuit by sensing the reset voltage of the particular switch, and the red LED will be glow. So you need to first of all solve the problem for the short circuit or say switch damages, and after you need to press this reset key. So all the driver board have common fault and ready signal here. So if fault is occurred in one driver board, then all the driver board will be turned off, their get pulses, and your whole inverter will be turned off. So this is the main feature for that. So it's for the protection purpose of the short circuit. So we will discuss the operation of 4-leg inverter in next video. Thank you.